last one. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand. Stand by me. Stand by me. Thank you very much. Very glad to be here. If you haven't already, this is Myeongdong Station and just could join us on my YouTube channel. So you can follow me, you can follow my journey. I'm moving to Ireland this October. We have like 3 weeks left in Seoul. By the way, welcome to Korea. As I'm a Korean, I want to say thank you so much for coming to Korea. And I hope you all have a great time here. 감사합니다. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Can you hear well? You guys, can you hear well? Where are you from, by the way? The Philippines! Salamat! Yo, magandang gabi po. Ito nakakalating po tayo. Buwan tayo Korea. Mahigita. Thank you very much. The Philippines. Where are you from, by the way? Arigatou gozaimasu. Shashe. Akokika. Beaucoup, comment? Merci. Gracias. 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 Very good. Gracias. Italian. German. German. Okay. That's great. Okay, guys. For being here. For our next tune, do you have any song I want to hear? This has it now. Up until. You. Okay, she asked me to play Elvis Presley. Nice choice, great choice. Okay, for a change, let's slow it down with the next tune called Can't Help Falling in Love with You. And if you know the words, I want everybody to sing to the top of the voice so that we can make the night together, right? Thank you guys for being here to hear. If you want it, you can just dance or you can just kiss each other. This is the last chorus. Thank you very much. Sing me. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Thank you very much for coming back. Thank you guys for sharing the beautiful moments. Thank you so much. How did you like it? Enjoy it? Thank you. Thank you. This song, I really enjoyed playing. Oh, I feel a lot inside. I don't know why. Yeah. So, thank you guys. For the movement. Yeah, just as I only have like 20 minutes left before I play the next tune. Thank you so much for your time and being here to hear it. And if you haven't already, this is handled by Instagram, Juhan. And if you video with us, please tag me on your social media so that my mom sees if I'm okay. You know, it's like mentor. Right neck, bro. And if you don't mind, I would like to sing my own song, if you like it. It's been 1.5 years since I started busking, and I really love busking because there's no barrier, like racial barrier, gender barrier, it's a country barrier, just become friends here on the road. And I really enjoyed Liverpool as well because you just go inside any clubs and you can make friends with anyone. And I was like, oh my god, I love Liverpool so much, and I don't want to die, I want to live forever, my voices. Then I wrote this song called I Don't Want to Die. This song is really easy to play with, and I trust guys, if you don't mind, I want you guys to sing to the top of the voice. 감사합니다. 사랑하고. So much. Thank you. Thank you for listening with your heart. And the next tune that you might know so we can sing along. 감사합니다. 아리가또. Thank you very much. We have like 10 minutes left. And thank you. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I know someday you will join us, and the world will be its home. Words of everyone, thank you so much. 감사합니다. So I only have 2 songs left before I wrap it up. Thank you so much for your time today. And yeah, if you enjoyed the music, you can find me on social media. So this is handled on my Instagram and Wonder Juhan. If you never lost, I also have a YouTube channel called Busker Juhan. So I'd like to sing my own song that I wrote recently. The song's called Cheers Like Better, and I hope you guys enjoy it. It hasn't released yet, but you can find this song on my YouTube channel. So I hope you guys enjoy it. 다음 곡은 저작곡입니다. Cheers Like That.